Hi everybody, I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest, fastest cake, and it just so happens to be vegan. So this is 3 ingredients or less. You're just going to need a Betty Crocker cake mix and a soda. Any flavored soda, any flavored mix, as long as it's one that is dairy free. There are a few that aren't. I'm using the yellow. So just pour your mix into a bowl. Pour your can of soda. Now, this makes it pretty fun chemical reaction, and so this is fun to make with kids too. But you also want to stir a little slow because there's carbonation in there and it will overflow just like your soda will. So I add a little soda, stir it, add a little more, stir it, and I continue until all the soda is stirred into the cake mix. It smells really good, you guys. Now you want to pour your mix into your pan. Use your spatula to make sure you get it all out. Put this in the oven for 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, but my oven's weird, so check on it, you guys. You'll know it's done when it's golden brown on top and cooked all the way through. There you have it. Doesn't it look delicious? Now, there you go. You could just put icing on it and you have a cake. 3 ingredients or less. But I didn't have any icing, and I did not have the patience to try to learn how to make icing this day, so I decided to use what I did have, which was most amazing strawberries from Imperfect Foods, and they were huge. That's maybe what was imperfect about them. I'm not sure, because they tasted great, but they were like 3 bites a piece or 4 bites a piece, so they were big, but they were good. By the way, down below in the description box, I'm going to have this recipe, and also there's a coupon code if you want to try Imperfect Foods. It'll save you $10 off your first order. So I sliced up about a cup of strawberries. And look, one looked like a heart. Isn't that cute? Check this out, you guys. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to put my cake in a bowl, and I'm going to smash it up a little bit. So then you're going to take your strawberries and put some of those on top of your cake. And do you guys remember that ice cream I taught you how to make? Well, start defrosting it because it's going on top. If you haven't tried that yet, I'm going to link that video down in the description because you're going to want to try this vegan plant-based coconut ice cream. If you're not up for the challenge of making your own ice cream yet, that's okay. You can use store-bought ice cream. Or you could use a whipped cream. That's really good too. It's like a strawberry shortcake. You can add in other berries if you want. So it's very versatile. Sometimes you can use pie filling as your fruit. And you can even add some chocolate syrup. And now you know how to make a delicious dessert. I can't believe how easy it is to make that cake. I had tried so many ways to make vegan cake before I realized this trick, and they were all so complicated, but this is so easy. So give it a try and have a great day.